Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and often frustrating. So, what is P1167? The official description is air-fuel ratio sensor bank 1 sensor on signal stuck clean. Let's break that down. Your engine's computer, or ACU, uses sensors to make sure it is getting the perfect mix of air and fuel for optimal performance and efficiency. The primary sensor for this job is the air-fuel ratio sensor, which is a more advanced type of oxygen sensor. Bank 1 on most Hondas and Acura simply refers to the cylinder bank that includes cylinder number 1. And sensor 1 means it's the sensor located before the catalytic converter, right on the exhaust manifold. Stuck lean means the sensor is telling the ECU that there is too much oxygen and not enough fuel in the exhaust, even when the ECU is trying to add more fuel to correct the mixture. Now, what are the common symptoms you might experience with a P1167 code? The most obvious one is the check engine light on your dashboard. You might also notice a significant drop in fuel economy. Because the ECU is dumping extra fuel into the engine trying to compensate for the lean signal, your engine might run rough, hesitate during acceleration, or even stall at idle. In some cases, you might not notice any performance issues at all, just the light. So, what causes this code? Well, the code points directly to the AF sensor. It's not always the sensor itself that's bad. However, in the vast majority of cases for this specific code on Honda and Acura vehicles, the culprit is indeed a faulty bank 1 sensor. 1. These sensors have a heating element inside them that helps them reach operating temperature quickly. Over time, this heater circuit can fail, causing the sensor to send incorrect signals, leading to the P1167 code. Other potential, but less common, causes could include a significant exhaust leak before the sensor, which would introduce extra oxygen and trick the sensor into reading lean. You could also have a wiring issue, like a broken wire or a corroded connector leading to the sensor. A fuel delivery problem, such as a weak fuel pump or clogged injectors, could theoretically cause a lean condition. But the ECU's feedback system is usually smart enough to trigger different codes in those scenarios. For P1167, it's almost always the sensor. Let's talk about the fix. First, a visual inspection is key. Get under the hood and locate the sensor on the exhaust manifold. Check the wiring harness and connector for any signs of damage, melting, or corrosion. Make sure it's plugged in securely. Also, inspect the exhaust manifold for any obvious cracks or loose bolts that could cause a leak. If everything looks good visually, the next step for most DIS and professionals is to replace the sensor. It's the most probable cause and often the most direct solution. When buying a replacement, I strongly recommend using a high-quality OEM or equivalent brand like Denso or NTK. Cheaper, no-name sensors can often be poorly calibrated, fail prematurely, or cause other issues, meaning you'll be doing the job all over again. Replacing it is usually straightforward. You'll need a special oxygen sensor socket, which has a slot for the wire. Disconnect the electrode connector first. Then, use the socket and a ratchet or breaker bar to remove the old sensor. It might be tight, so a little penetrating oil can help before installing the new one. Apply a small amount of the anti-seize compound that typically comes with it to the threads, being careful not to get any on the sensor tip itself. Thread it in by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque. To sum it up, P1167 on your Honda or Acura almost always means it is time for a new primary air-fuel ratio sensor. By using a quality part and following the right steps, I hope this guide was helpful. If you've dealt with this code before, share your experience in the comments below. What was the fix for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.